Hello, my friend in art. Welcome. Thank you for being here. Let's get started. I'm going to show you a couple of tools that you can get to start drawing. If you're new to drawing, you've never tried it before, I'm just going to show you a couple of things. These are tools that I use or that I kind of got started with, and I'm in no way endorsing anything. I'm not affiliated with anyone here, at least not at the time of this video. Okay, so let's get started. First of all is drawing pencils. And I don't know if you can see that, but I'm going to show you up here in just a second. And these pencils are really nice because they come in different softness and hardness of the lead itself. So the B pencils are softer lead, like a B, a 2B, a 4B, a 6B. And the higher the number goes, the softer the lead. And what that means is that that soft lead is going to allow you to make your areas darker. So the higher the number, the darker you're going to be able to get with your pencil. And then there's the hardness. So there's the H and the 2H and so forth. So the higher you go with the H's, then the harder that lead is going to be, and it's going to leave a little bit lighter area when you draw with it. Okay, another type of pencil, if you want to try this, it's called General's graphite sticks. And these are just the pure graphite that you can hold right in your hand and draw with that. You can draw with the edge, or you can draw on the side and make big, broad strokes with that. And there's several different brands of that as well. You don't have to get that, but it's just another option if you want to just kind of try things out. Another option is Conti crayons, and this is a brand, but other brands are out there as well. And this is just a small set, and it's got a couple of different little values in here, so if you want to change things up a little bit in your drawing. So you can try those, but again, you don't have to have this. You'll need some pencil sharpeners, so here's just the basic little pencil sharpeners. This metal one sometimes comes in a set of pencils. You might find that in a set. If your hands are get tired with the sharpening this way, and if the lead keeps breaking, I might suggest an electric sharpener. And again, I'm not endorsing any brands, but this can really save you. It just draws the pencil right in, and then it sharpens it and spits it right back out. So you don't have to hold it and push down or anything like that. So that might come in handy for you. And then erasers. I've got a couple of different brands here. Factus is pretty good. I'm not endorsing it, but it's pretty good. It's vinyl. It doesn't leave a whole lot of the little crumbs all over your paper, and it cleans pretty well. So you might need a couple of erasers. I stay away from them these days. I flip the page and start again, or I just go over if I made a little boo-boo. So, but if you want an eraser, that's great. Go ahead and do that. And then sketchbooks. You'll need a little sketchbook. This one is a little small, and I recommend something that's 9 by 12 or maybe even 11 by 14 to really give you some room to move. You want to draw not just from your wrist, but use your whole arm. Kind of just really get in there and move around with your pencil and your mark making tools. But I like the wire bound because it lays flat, and I can easily flip the page. And I've got some little preliminary drawings in here, but you can flip the page and just and keep going. This is good for travel size, but again, I would use the little bit larger ones for for my drawing. And then here's another brand, and so there's lots of different brands out there. It's entirely up to you. You can find these tools. Dollar stores have art supplies. They may not have these particular things, but they have art supplies. Try them. You can try thrift stores, even Goodwill. Sometimes people are clearing out their closets and they're getting rid of stuff, and you might try there a couple times. You can also try the big box stores. You can try online. Amazon.com, Blick.com is another big art supplier. Jerry's Artorama is another art supplier. So there's lots of places to get the supplies, and it can be overwhelming. There's so much out there, but this is really all, it's just some basic things you need just to get started and see if you're going to like it, see if you're going to continue with it, and so forth, which I hope you do. So I also have this video that you might check out. It shows how to make some marks with these different drawing, with your pencils and so forth. And it's hash marks and scribbles and things like that you can use for shading in your drawings that all artists use. So I'm so glad you joined me today. Please hit that subscribe button. please like and also leave a comment. If there's something that you're struggling with or something you're not sure about with your art making, please leave a comment. Let me know. I'll be so glad to help you with it. Okay, thanks for watching. See you next time.